Having a visual representation of the tasks you have to do is a great way to stay focused and to stay motivated. In this video, I'll tell you what a Scrum Board is and how it can help you be more productive. Hi everyone, it's Matt from Greatness Everyday, and I'm here today with another video to talk about how you can be more productive with a simple visual representation of all the things that you need to do. And that comes from a model that's known as the Scrum Board model. And it's something that's super easy. You can start doing it wherever you are right away, whether that's in an office, it's in a classroom, or if it's just on the side of your desk to manage all of the different tasks that you have to do. And like I said before, it's called a Scrum Board model. This is something that was shown to me by a colleague of mine, and I really liked it from the second that I saw it because it's an easy way to manage all of the different things you have to do, to change them around once you complete a task, and so many other things. The Scrum Board model consists of three main parts: the to-do section, the in progress section, and the done section, where you manage all of your different tasks. So how I use this is at the beginning of a group meeting, or I can do this individually as well, but I like it with groups because it shows the collaboration and that we start talking about the tasks that we have to do, and we stay in touch with the different tasks that other people are doing as well and how they tie into the overall larger goal of our project. What I like to do is I like to start every group meeting at the Scrum Board because it gives a good visual representation. Everybody can see it. Everybody can start talking about the different pieces that we're doing and how they tie into the overall goal of our project. And we start by taking Post-it notes. I like to use Post-it notes. You could also just write these down. You could go ahead and do it digitally if you wanted to as well. But Post-it notes are easy too. When you get an idea or you know something has to be done, you write that thing down, you stick it up on the to-do section of the Scrum Board. From there, everybody chooses their role. They choose what they're working on and move that Post-it note from the to-do section into the in progress section because we're working on it. And those could be things that take a little bit of time. Maybe it takes 15-20 minutes to do something, or maybe those are something that takes a couple of days. But what matters is we know what we're working on and we know that it's in progress, or it's going to be the next thing that we come to. And then once it's done, we move that Post-it note to the done section of the Scrum Board. Here's a picture of the Scrum Board that we've been using at my work, and it's really simple. We just took some tape, we marked out the different sections, we made some headings, and then we started sticking Post-it notes on, and it was made in a matter of 10 minutes or so. You can do the exact same thing, very quick and very easy. There's pretty blank on that picture that I have of the Scrum Board, but now it looks a lot different. There's a lot more stuff on it. I really like the Scrum Board model because it goes ahead, it allows me to see all of the different tasks that we have to do as a group. It allows us to talk about how our projects are going and how the different tasks are going and how they tie into the overall grand scheme of whatever project we're working on. And it allows us to stay focused on the task as well as being motivated to get the rest done. I hope that this model of task management and organization will help you a lot. So if it does, please let me know down in the comments below what you think of the Scrum Board model. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram for daily inspiration and encouragement to live a great life. You can also visit our website at www.greatnesseveryday.online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.